to Auntie Nell's Kitchen, and for you that have come back to spend some time with your good old auntie, I appreciate you coming back. You can hit that like button, please hit the like button if you choose, and if you choose to subscribe, you can. No pressure. But my previous upload, I did those Philly cheesesteak sliders. But they're not complete if you don't have some fries or some onion rings. So right now we're going to make these home battered fresh onion rings. We gotta have that. You gotta have something to dip in some ketchup, right? Or hot sauce, sriracha sauce, whatever y'all call it. But you know what I'm talking about. So anyway, we'll give Auntie a moment so we can get some things set up, and then we'll get to, I guess, battering and frying or whatever you want to call it. So give Auntie a little moment, and we'll be back together again. You and I. I see you. I got you. Okay, we're back. You're going to need 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to throw that in there. Going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You can add a whole teaspoon of salt if that's what you like. 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon, got a piece of onion on my hand, and 1 teaspoon of celery powder. Just throw that on in there. I'm adding 1.5 cups of buttermilk to 1/2 cup of whole milk. And I'm going to throw that in there and get it all mixy. And if I think my batter is too thick or too thin, I know how to alternate, and I'll show you what to do. If you think it's too thin, if you think it's too thin, you can just add a little more flour because you have that baking powder in there. That's going to take care of that. Make sure you mix that in well because flour can settle in the bottom. I'm going to need that right there. I got a little more flour. Not much now, just a little. Where's my little cup? Just a little. I forgot my egg. Look at that egg. This is my onion ring batter. You don't have to add the paprika if you don't want to. I always crack the egg in a clear bowl so you can see if you got any shells. Sorry guys, this is my dishwasher. I always crack your egg in a clear bowl so you can see if any shells fall in. Don't ever crack your egg over what you're making, because you don't ever do that. I always break up your yolk first. If you throw the whole egg into what you're making, I always break up that yolk first. Take your whisk side to side with that swivel that's around. And this is all nice and incorporated well. Okay, I have a pan. Well, I'm using a boiler. I don't bring out no deep fryer unless I'm frying a bunch of stuff. Here's my little buttermilk in there. Yeah, I get all my goodness. Okay, I have a pan of oil, well, my little boiler oil. Turn my heat on, and we'll be right back once this oil heats up, okay, my friends? Oh, you 2 large onions. You only need the outer parts of the onion, okay? Yeah, you only need the outer parts. You don't need the centers, just the outer parts. And I'm using 2 large sweet Vidalias. Y'all know this time of year, aunties, I'm only sticking with the Vidalias. Throw some onion rings in this batter so they'll already be in here. So when the oil heats up, I won't have that to do. And you can do that too. Have your onion rings already in the batter. All of them not gonna go in here. But you know, well heck, let's see. Oh, some of your onions may break. You may slice them and they may break. Don't get bougie on me up in here. You know when you go to a restaurant, you get some broken onion rings in that takeout box and on that plate. Yeah, you know you do. And what you do? You dip and keep eating. You dip them and keep eating. You don't turn around and go back to the drive-thru and you don't send the plate back. Caitlin is at a performance tonight. Her old high school, she graduated in 2020, but she was the lead alto. And the chorus director reached out to her and asked her if she would come sing at their end of the year chorus performance. And you know she jumped at the fact to be on the stage. Yeah, because she was in their drama performing arts thing. So she did musicals and she was in the chorus. And she plays piano. Caitlin has been playing the piano since she was 4. She can play by ear and she reads music as well. But she was just elated to go do that. And you know how you want to show them your support. And, yeah, I have to come. It's not like I'm like, well, I want to support you. She was like, stay home. Cause she was like, oh, I'm going out with my friends after this. I said, okay. So let this oil heat up and I'll be right back. The oil is hot. It's at 353 degrees. So this is good to go, my friends. Let me get a glove. Y'all know how I am about messes. Okay. See, I have some oil, some rings in my batter. I don't know how they get caught up under there. Gonna drop these rings in. Guess I should have used my frying pan, huh? That's what I should have used, my frying pan. Let me get my skimmer. Oh, I need another bowl. Well, I guess they'll be cooking small batches, huh, guys? I should have used my frying pan. What was I thinking? I guess I wasn't thinking. How to get these little bitty things out. I guess I wasn't thinking. I should have used my frying pan. Well, too late to turn back now. There's a broken. I'm going to send it back to the kitchen when it gets done, too. I most certainly am. I want my money back. It's not what I paid for. Guys, I'm going to fry these onion rings up and I'll be back. Okay, guys, what do you think? Here are the home cooked onion rings. They're all nice and done. Crispy. Hear that crispy crunch? Hear that crispiness? So easy to make. And they're gonna go good with that earlier video of those Philly cheesesteak sliders that I made earlier. So you know, I say again, I say my goodbyes in person. So hold on a minute, my friends. Okay, yeah, Auntie had to sit down, my friends. So thank you for joining in and tuning in to my freshly cut batter onion ring recipe and cooking off. So until my next upload, hugs, tight hugs, squeeze hugs, and kisses to all of you. I love you guys. Until the next time, see you later. You all have an awesome day, night, morning, wherever you are. I appreciate your love and support. Hit that like button. So you new ones, you can hit that subscribe button if you choose to. If you don't, that's okay too. You still can watch the show. I'll talk to you guys later. Love you guys. Bye.